Hi friends, welcome to week 6. Looks like we're going to be doing this for the rest of the year. I know it's not exactly how any of us wanted this to end this school year, but it is what it is. Still miss you guys. I hope you're doing well. I hope you're figuring this out. And if you guys need something, whether it's school related or not, please reach out to me. You can text me or you can email me, and I'll do whatever I can to help you guys out. With whatever it is I can do. So I was just going to kind of run over what I want you to do this week because I know it does look a little bit different. First, I attached these in your Google Classroom, but these are your announcements for this week. Let me put it in present mode. Okay, so a lot of you guys, y'all don't have a reading log this week, but a lot of you guys have been asking, I'm done with my book, I don't know, I don't have another book, whatever it is. So here's some websites listed right here for you. The Brazoria County Library System has it's a really good website. I do believe that they might ask you to go through the steps of creating an account or something like that when you go to this website. So look at that if that's something you're interested in. And then that will also, when society opens back up, you will be able to go to any of the Brazoria County libraries with that information and get in. Excuse me. The Shadow Creek Library is also listed right there for you, and I've been posting weekly updates that Ms. Clark Davis sends to us in Google Classroom as well. But I do believe that you can get onto the online catalogs and things like that within the library system for the school and the district, so you can try that. This website right here, lifehack.org, guys, I Googled it yesterday. I don't really know much about that website, but you are more than welcome to click through that, figure out what's on there. And if something piques your interest, go for it there. Also, you look at YouTube, e-readers, digital books, anything that kind of falls under that umbrella. I'm not really concerned with what you're reading as long as it's appropriate and it is on your grade level or above. That means those of us reading Diary of a Wimpy Kid probably should pick something a little different. Guys, it doesn't have to be a physical book that you're reading. You can listen to digital books, do e-readers. There's all kinds of books on YouTube that you can read. So be creative. There's tons of books. I don't want any more excuses of I don't have a book to read. Read a magazine. I don't care. I don't care what you're reading as long as it's your grade level and it's appropriate and you're reading and you're able to respond to those prompts, okay? People that are MIA. I still have not heard from Sean Cruz. Zara, I know your name is on here. I know I've heard from you. Oscar and Miguel from second period. Where you at? What you doing? Let me know how you are. Zenaida Castro from third period. Christopher Hernandez from third period. Where are you guys at? How are you? Is everything okay? Fifth period. Chavo, where you at, buddy? Dillo, I need you to check your email. Look at it. Let me know what's going on. Let me see. Tiana Murphy. Hugh Wynn in fifth period. And Sandon, I know you're alive. I know you're just not doing anything. Get it done. Fifth period, third period, y'all need to check in. Also first, second, and then let me see, sixth and seventh. I haven't heard from John Batak this week. I haven't heard from Moira. Jonathan Ramirez, where are you? Are you okay? Jaden Sharber, you didn't turn anything in last week. Are you okay? Let me see, seventh period. John David and Abe. Abe, I know I've talked to you a couple of times. John David, I still have yet to hear from you. Are you okay? I think that's it. Lucas finally started turning in work. Thank you, Lucas. If I called out your name, please contact me via that text message number or via email. I need to talk to you guys. I want to make sure you're okay and figure out what we can do to get you caught back up. Okay? Communication. Use this phone number, 409-263-2199 to text me. I will answer it as quickly as I can and as efficiently as I can. Okay, so that's just another avenue for you to reach out to me. A lot of you guys are curious about schedules and different personal questions and all kinds of different things. So I've put the counselor alpha breakdown here for you so that you have that if that's something you're interested in. Okay, so that's all for there. The next thing that we're going to go over is your writing log. So this is the writing log for week 6 this week. Yesterday, finished this phrase, my favorite birthday to date. So tell me about your favorite birthday. Tuesday, today, write about a holiday you would create if given the opportunity. Wednesday, which day of the week is the best day and why? Thursday, if you could bring a number to life, which number would it be? What would it do and why? And then number 24 is a free write. Tell me anything you want to tell me. Tell me what's going on in your life. Are you struggling with something? Are you super happy with something? Did you accomplish something? Are you afraid? Are you happy? You can just ramble. It's just a free write on Friday. Okay? So that is that. And then I know the activity looks a little bit different this week. That's what I was going for. So it's called the Creativity Challenge. And this is just the direction slide that you guys have also. Okay? Okay, so this week we are focusing on being creative. We're going to move away from our normal distant learning structure in an effort to take a break and do something different. So your task, create your own piece of artwork using a medium of your choice, examples to follow. You must include a photo or video of the artwork, including yourself, and a well-developed paragraph, 5 to 7 sentences, of what the specific piece of artwork means to you and why you chose to create it. The work of art must be original. So I want this to be done by you, but this is not something that you need to freak out over. Over here are all different kinds of things that I just kind of brainstormed that you could use to create art with. You've got your basic art supplies right here. TikTok. Guys, dancing is art. Chalk. We've been doing a lot of chalk in my house recently. Any of the Adobe platforms. Anything cooking. Cooking can be art also. Microsoft Paint has a good one. A lot of you love to draw in Sharpies, in color in Sharpies. That's artwork. Google Slides, Canva and Canvas, Paint, YouTube. Okay. So the next one, so these are just some different ideas. You can do painting and coloring, Adobe Workshop apps, chalks and Sharpies, any photography. Some people already submitted some stuff that was photography, and it had the before picture and the after picture of how they use different editing techniques and things with it, which was really cool. Song, dance, instruments. Take a video of yourself playing an instrument, doing a dance, singing a song. That's all art. Any of the different Google apps, social media platforms like TikTok, Instagram, as long as you're within the art mediums. A lot of y'all are into anime. That could also fall under the art category. Floral design, and then food. So right here in this picture, me and my little girl at Easter time, we took plastic Easter eggs and broke them apart, separated them, dipped them in the paint, and then we kind of created some random abstract art with paint. It was kind of cool. So that was the start of what she's doing right there. We did the kind of the abstract chalk art on the sidewalk whenever that was a big hit a couple of weeks ago on social media. We've done several since then, but that's one of those. Easter morning we did bunny pancakes. So that's kind of the whipped cream right there is the bunny tail, and then you have his feet and all that good stuff. And then there's just a floral arrangement I made for my house, which is also art. Okay? So, I chose the one, and then I wrote you guys a paragraph over here just for you to kind of mimic. Okay, so that's the example. So you have, you've been assigned just the one slide, okay? So you're going to put your picture or your video of your artwork here. Some of you guys might need to upload videos to YouTube and then copy and paste the link there so that I can access it that way. Sometimes those videos are too big. And then your paragraph is going to go over here, okay? Make sure that you're clicking turn in, which would be in the top right hand button up here. A lot of you guys aren't clicking that and it's still showing as missing. With that said, look at Skyward, okay? Instead of leaving asterisks for those of you that haven't done things, you will have different grades in there now that will hopefully try and get your attention. My intentions are not for you to fail. So understand that they are not for you to fail. It is to grab your attention. So if you see a 29, it is because you have not turned it in and it is missing and I need you to get it done. If you're having problems getting your work done, please email me or text me so that we can figure something else out that best works for you. That's kind of all I have right now. So I just wanted to kind of shoot this out to you guys that you have it. Again, if you have questions, let me know. You can email me, you can text me, but please do your work and get it turned in. That's all I got. I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you have a great week, and I miss you. Bye.